Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is identifiers. Identifiers are names given to various program elements such as variables, methods, classes and objects. They help in uniquely identifying these elements in the program. Identifiers must start with a letter or an underscore and can be followed by letters, digits or underscores. Identifier object is used to assign identifiers to record in various other objects. Example in Apex, my class, the name of a class, my method, the name of a method, my variable, the name of a variable. Let's see an example. Public class, my class, public void, my method, an integer, my variable storing 10 value. So system.debug is for printing. This is an identifier example and here we are displaying my variable. So in this class, my method and my variable are identifiers. My class, my method and my variable are identifiers. Thank you.